My name's Paige and I'm a second year apprentice Boilermaker Welder. I get up to a variety of different things, most of them including welding, cutting, fabricating, all different sorts of structural steel work. I've always liked doing hands-on things ever since I was a little girl. I asked about doing some work experience. After that, I applied for the apprenticeship online and sent through my resume and cover letter. I got a phone call saying that I was invited to come in for an interview and an aptitude test. My metalwork teacher at high school told me that he thinks I do well in an industry like this, so I gave it a go and yeah, I love it. One thing I like about this industry is the growing number of females. It makes me proud to see that over the years there are going to be more girls in trades. I would say don't give up. There is definitely going to be hard days, but there's always hard days everywhere. Just need to stay focused and keep your mind to it.